and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my original strawberry banana smoothie recipe video. I love that one, it's my tried and true, but this one is going to be a little bit different. This one is vegan and we added a couple more ingredients. So we added some ice cubes, we are using almond milk instead of normal cow's milk, and we're going to be using some cinnamon. Super delicious. Can't wait for you guys to see this one. I think strawberry banana is just classic. Like you just can't go wrong. I can always have a strawberry banana smoothie, breakfast, lunch, snack, pre-workout, post-workout, whatever it is. So for this recipe, all you're going to need is some ice cubes and the cinnamon and the almond milk, like I said, a banana and some strawberries, and that's literally it. So again, I just have my NutriBullet here, and I'm just going to start off by adding the strawberries and the ice cubes. Those are going to be hardest to break down. So I just have a cup of frozen strawberries and about 6 ice cubes. It's whatever you guys want. If you want it to be a little bit more of like an icy, you can add more. You can even freeze your banana if you prefer that. So we just have some cinnamon. We're going to do our banana. Now you don't have to chop this up all perfectly. I always just use my hand. It's going to be getting mashed up anyway. And then I have a cup of almond milk just to help blend all of this together. Oh, and I almost forgot, don't forget your protein powder. Again, I'm using vanilla just because I think that works best here with these flavors, but you can use whatever it is that you want. Now, before I go ahead and blend this up, as always, I need to clean this stuff up because it's just too distracting. I need to clean this up so I can just make my smoothie and not even have to worry about this. Alright, so now we're just going to blend this baby up. How quick, easy, and simple was that, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this to another cup, get one of my smoothie straws, and then we'll get ready to try some. Alright, you guys, look at this color. It's so much more pink than my last video because we don't have the acai here. So let's try some. Oh, so good, you guys. Love this one. Strawberry banana, like I said, can't go wrong. Ooh. Ooh, the cinnamon. I just got the cinnamon. Hold on. Wow, I love the cinnamon in this one because anything with cinnamon and banana typically tastes really good. And this has got it mixed with strawberry and everything else, but it is amazing. You guys definitely have to try this one out and let me know what you think. Now, again, like I said in my other video, you can go ahead and put these in little Ziploc baggies and freeze them so that way, you know, all this is just blended up in a little packet for you if you prefer, just because I know they make them in the store that way and it's super easy and convenient for some of you guys. But look how quick and easy that was just with the normal ingredients. So whatever way you guys prefer, it's up to you guys. But I think I might try that. I might try and freeze it in like a freezer bag and see how it comes out when I go ahead and blend that together. But this is so good. This might be one of my go-to like breakfast smoothies. I love the cinnamon in here. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who likes smoothies or is just lazy in the morning and wants some super easy breakfast to make, because who wants to make a whole ass breakfast every day? Nobody has the time for that, and this is super healthy, super delicious. You have your fruits in there, you have protein in there, and as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.